Hola vatos, it's your girl Lay by London, and I'm here bringing you another hair tutorial on how I watercolored this orange dreamsicle look. It is orange and it has white highlights, so if you're interested on how I got this look, keep watching. Alright, so this is my 613 hair from my hair company, Glow Girl Extensions. This hair is so pretty, thick, and full. As you can see, the bundles are nice and thick, and the ends are really thick and nice. So I didn't record myself actually doing the watercolor method, but this is what I use. Ion True Tone for dark hair, and the color will be listed below. And it's millions of videos on YouTube on how to watercolor. Basically just use some hot water, pour it in a bucket, and then you're gonna go ahead and just put the watercolor in there and dip the hair in it a few times, let it sit for a minute or two, and then go ahead and wash it out. But yeah, basically I'll have to make another detailed video on how I actually get my watercolor method, but this is the final look. This wig, it's still available. I have it on hand now, and she is available for purchase. So yeah, I'll leave the link for my information for you to get in contact with me if you would like to purchase this wig. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next video.